Okay, so we do know that in the search bar, when we search anything, let's say I'm searching for customer, then we do find everything related to customer. It means all the menus and pages within the system, as well as the documentations related to customers in docs.microsoft.com and all the apps from Microsoft App Stores related to customer or the keyword having customers. Now, this is a very good part that this functionality of searching was enhanced to include the documentations from online sources as well. Now, there is another feature like this which has been added in which you can search for documents and help articles from within the Business Central. Okay, this was made available in 2021 release wave 2 plan, and you can find it from October 1, 2021. So if you go to this help, you will find a search bar here. Okay, now let's say I am on the, let's say I'm on the customer card and I want to know how to set up discounts for the customer cards. In that case, what I'll do, I'll search for discount and I'll press enter. You do need to press enter. It's not an incremental search. Now you can see I have these three documents. Set up sales price and discount for customers, Business Central. If I click on this, it will take me to this page, which is a significant documentation as per my search. Let me close it for now. You can see that three results are updated. If you click on this, again, three more results. And if you click, more results. Okay, if we keep clicking, you'll find more results because with this keyword, there are more results, but the most significant results you'll find in the top. Now, from what sources uh, this help is looking for these documents? So first source is this docs.microsoft.com, and you can say that it is looking first in the Business Central documentation overview page, which is this one, and then it is going to the learn content for Business Central. So you can see Microsoft Learn here, and all content related to Business Central that also can be searched from within this box. Okay. So this is quite helpful, and also when you're navigating, this help section is not getting closed, so it's a good thing because you can stay while you are searching for a documentation and you have a transaction to do, you can do the transaction and the results will be open for you for your reference. So I believe that's a very good feature which has been introduced. Uh, so yes, do explore this, and we will see you in the next video.